So I'd like to invite Tim back up to talk about the key observations of the Community Bond Advisory Committee.
So, as we talked about, or as we went through the process that Cassie was leading us through, there were some key observations from the Community Bond Advisory Committee. And the first one was efficiency, and Anne's highlighted that fully here, right? A better configuration would lead to better operational efficiency, and the Community Bond Advisory Committee overwhelmingly favored that. The second one, as Anne said, is that both Athena and Weston should have a school. So unifying a campus in one city or the other just wasn't an option for us. We need to have a school in both towns and provide education in both places. The third key observation here was that your high school is really your flagship school. It's the one that the most people go into on a regular basis. People from outside the community come into for different activities, events, and it's really important that the high school be that flagship for us. And there's strong interest in making changes here in this, in this building. And then the last observation was we are limited in what we're capable of. There's only so much funding that this community can support, and that is a reality of our situation. But we also didn't want to kick the can down the road. A similar bond effort was done back in 2004, and the idea was at that time to build a middle school and high school campus all in one, brand new, and it was going to cost about $15 million to do a full facility for both middle and high school. And you can see on your bond proposal there what just a brand new high school is going to cost. And so we don't want to kick the can down the road any farther than we have to. And so let's dive into this and let's see what we can make happen. And so those were our key observations there.